Hi and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Leo. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Auto number fields can do more than track cases. Use them to add unique IDs to custom objects, or even standard ones like opportunities. They help with external integrations, internal audits, and data matching. To set it up, just go to the field setup and choose auto number as the data type. Define a format like OPP, 2,000 TARS, and Salesforce will handle the rest. You can't edit these values after creation, so use them for tracking, not labeling. This small field can save hours when troubleshooting records or syncing data with other systems. Set it and forget it until you need it most. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.